All right, bye. Thank you, Levi. Come, come. Come on, go. Off the top of me. Well, I guess we'll just get him on that end. That's fine. Nope. Maybe. Got one right handy? Yep. All right, we're going to plastic bag it because he's quiet. Hi, honey, you're such a good boy. I mean, it's hard to remember that he's only 18 months old. So we don't want to scare him too bad, but just see if we can get a little canter maybe out of him.
I won't go all Arabian on his ass.
He just wants to come check it out.
He just wants to check it out. I think that's awesome.
He is really awesome. That might be enough. Come on. We're going to poop. A little more trot. Come on, bud. Come on, bub. All right, that's probably good.